Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Kia Sorento Hybrid. As you can tell, new for 22 is the Kia badging. This one is the EX trim front wheel drive. Not bad at all. Yeah, I do love the new Kia badge. Even though it does look like KN. Now that I said that, you will never unsee that. Hybrid, completely different shifter. Neutral, reverse, drive. Alright, speaking of drive, let's go for a drive. I'll drive this in Eco because if people are buying this, chances are you want the most fuel efficient SUV you can get. So I'll drive this in Eco. I try to drive the vehicles sort of in the manner or in the way that their owners would. So we'll do Eco. But I will do Sport on the second lap with just to see the difference. It is super quiet. It's a casual vehicle. It's super quiet. And I mean, look at the range. Right now it's a full tank, 580 miles to empty. Like, come on. And that's with like a 4.4 mpg average because this thing mainly just idles. Sport mode. Oh boy. Good old school day traffic. This is awful. At this rate, it's a find a gap and floor it. Oh, come on. Over the bump. This is a fun game. I love to play this game. Thing is, it's all gaps that are just big enough if I were to just pull out and floor it. Alright, that was an interesting ride to say the least, but thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.